Few people realize that behind the bright red cherries found in supermarkets around the world lies a massive modern agricultural industry operating on an enormous scale. From the endless cherry orchards stretching across Washington, Michigan, and California to the high-tech automated processing factories, every stage plays a role in the incredible journey behind this famous fruit. Not only are cherries loved for their beautiful red color and sweet flavor with a slight tartness, but they are also considered one of the most valuable fruit crops in the United States. Every year, hundreds of thousands of tons of cherries are planted, carefully maintained, harvested, and shipped to countries all over the world. And to achieve such massive production, modern farmers now rely on advanced technologies including GPS systems, automated sensors, smart harvesting machines, and AI-powered sorting lines. In today's video, join Giant Agriculture Technology as we explore the incredible world of America's modern cherry industry, where giant machines and advanced technology are completely transforming traditional agriculture. The journey begins in massive orchards where farmers must prepare the soil with extreme care before planting cherry trees. The soil needs to be loose, nutrient-rich, and especially well-drained so the root systems can grow strong and healthy for many years. Even slight flooding or an improper soil pH level can seriously damage an entire orchard. Beyond the soil itself, climate also plays a critical role. Cherry trees require long, cold winters to properly trigger their growth cycle for the following spring season. That is why states like Washington and Michigan have become some of the most ideal regions for the cherry industry to thrive on a massive scale. Before the young trees are planted, farmers also add organic fertilizers and treat the soil using advanced agricultural methods to create the best possible environment for long-term growth. All of these careful preparations become the foundation for the brilliant red cherry harvests that will appear years later. After the soil preparation is completed, large amounts of modern machinery begin appearing across the massive cherry orchards. Specialized planting machines can dig holes, measure spacing, and position young trees with incredible precision, making the planting process much faster and more efficient. What fascinates many people most is that modern farms now integrate GPS technology directly into their planting systems. Thanks to this technology, every row of cherry trees can be arranged almost perfectly, helping maximize land usage while improving long-term orchard management. From above, the entire plantation looks like a giant engineering blueprint created with computer precision. But behind all this advanced technology lies a process that requires tremendous patience and investment. Farmers must wait many years before the trees begin producing stable harvests. And perhaps that is what makes the journey behind those bright red cherries far more fascinating than most people could ever imagine while seeing them in supermarkets. As the cherry trees begin establishing strong roots and growing steadily, the entire orchard gradually transforms into a modern agricultural system operating almost automatically. Along every row of trees are advanced drip irrigation systems that deliver precise amounts of water directly to the root zones, helping conserve resources while maintaining stable soil moisture. In addition, many orchards now use smart sensors to monitor soil moisture, temperature, and tree development in real time. All of this information is sent back to centralized control systems, allowing operators to efficiently manage thousands of cherry trees at the same time. The sight of these massive orchards running with the help of advanced technology leaves many people amazed by how much modern agriculture has evolved today. And if you're also impressed by these modern cherry farming systems, leave a comment with number 1 below. Over time, the once tiny cherry trees gradually grow into lush green rows stretching all the way to the horizon. And perhaps the most remarkable change is how modern technology is completely transforming traditional farming methods. Today, many orchards use smart management systems to control irrigation, fertilizer distribution, and even monitor tree growth rates. Sensors placed throughout the fields continuously collect environmental data and send it back to centralized systems for analysis. Thanks to this technology, farmers can detect early signs of pests, diseases, or water shortages before the trees are seriously affected. This not only reduces operating costs, but also greatly improves both cherry yield and fruit quality. Modern cherry orchards today are no longer simply traditional farms. They have evolved into true high-tech agricultural production systems where data, automation, and machinery are gradually replacing much of the manual labor once required in the past. After months of continuous care, the cherry trees finally enter the most beautiful blooming season of the year. Millions of white and pale pink blossoms appear across the branches at the same time, creating a breathtaking landscape stretching throughout the orchards. What makes this even more fascinating is that behind this beautiful scenery lies a highly advanced agricultural management system operating non-stop. Farmers monitor weather conditions, soil moisture, and tree growth through real-time data collected from smart sensors installed throughout the fields. In addition, many orchards combine natural ecological methods to support the pollination process. Thanks to the combination of nature and modern technology, cherry fruit production rates have improved significantly in recent years. This is a perfect example of next-generation agriculture, where natural beauty and advanced technology work side by side to create more efficient and productive harvests than ever before. After the blossoms fade away, the first tiny cherries begin appearing on the branches. Over time, their colors gradually change from green to pale yellow, and finally into the bright red color that signals harvest season is approaching. The moment millions of cherries ripen under the summer sunlight creates an unforgettable sight for anyone who sees it. The entire orchard looks as if it has been covered with endless rows of shining red jewels stretching across the landscape. But behind that beautiful scenery is a tremendous amount of careful work. Farmers must constantly monitor the number of fruits growing on each tree to prevent the branches from becoming overloaded or breaking under the weight. It is this level of detailed care that helps produce the world-famous high-quality cherry harvests. And from this point on, the busiest stage of the modern cherry industry officially begins. When harvest season finally arrives, thousands of workers and modern machines quickly appear across the enormous cherry orchards. The bright red cherries are carefully picked to keep their stems attached and preserve the highest possible quality before being shipped to market. In many large-scale production areas, advanced harvesting machines begin operating continuously for long hours. Powerful shaking systems help the cherries fall quickly, while automated conveyor belts move the fruit into large storage containers at extremely high speeds. The sight of giant machines working non-stop across the glowing red orchards makes the entire harvest season look like a massive outdoor industrial production line. And if you also enjoy watching these incredible modern cherry harvesting machines, comment number 1 below so Giant Agriculture Technology can continue bringing you more exciting videos like this. Few people realize that behind the small boxes of cherries found in supermarkets are gigantic harvesting machines capable of processing tens of tons of fruit every single hour. This is also one of the most fascinating aspects of the modern cherry industry. These massive machines are equipped with extremely powerful shaking systems that are still precise enough to avoid damaging the trees or branches. Some advanced models even include cameras and sensor technology capable of detecting ripe cherries with remarkable accuracy. What's even more incredible is that the entire process operates almost continuously at extremely high speed. Within a very short time, thousands of kilograms of cherries can be collected and transported directly to processing facilities. Watching these giant machines operating across endless cherry orchards makes many people feel as if they are witnessing a science fiction vision of the future of agriculture. After harvest, the cherries are quickly transported to modern processing facilities, where the next stage of cleaning, sorting, and packaging begins. Inside these factories, millions of cherries move non-stop along enormous automated conveyor systems. First, the cherries are washed using high-pressure water systems designed to remove dirt, dust, and bacteria. After that, advanced sorting machines equipped with modern sensors begin inspecting the color, size, and quality of every single cherry at extremely high speeds. The highest quality cherries are then packaged in temperature-controlled environments to preserve their freshness during transportation. Meanwhile, cherries that do not meet premium standards are redirected to production lines for juice, concentrates, and other processed food products. And if you think this modern cherry processing system is as impressive as it looks, comment number 1 below so we can continue exploring even more incredible high-tech agricultural industries together. One of the most incredible achievements of the modern cherry industry is the perfectly synchronized operation of the entire system, from the orchards all the way to the processing factories. Millions of cherries are handled every single day through the combination of advanced machinery, automation, and smart data technology. From AI-powered sorting machines to high-speed packaging lines, every stage is carefully calculated to maximize productivity while maintaining the highest possible fruit quality. These modern systems significantly reduce the need for manual labor while increasing production efficiency many times over. From above, the entire processing facility looks like a miniature industrial city where countless machines operate non-stop to meet the global demand for cherries. And this is also clear proof of how technology is completely transforming the face of modern agriculture today. After the packaging and processing stages are completed, containers of cherries begin their journey to supermarkets, restaurants, and international markets around the world. Some fresh cherries are exported directly, while the remaining supply is used to produce juice, candy, syrup, and many other food products. Not only are cherries famous for their delicious flavor, but they are also packed with vitamins and antioxidants that provide important health benefits. This is one of the main reasons why cherries continue becoming more popular in global markets every year. Few people realize that behind these small red fruits lies an enormous modern industry involving thousands of workers, giant machines, and advanced technology. And that incredible journey continues, growing stronger year after year. From massive orchards stretching across the horizon to enormous automated processing lines inside high-tech factories, the journey of cherries clearly showcases the incredible advancement of modern agricultural technology. Today, fruit farming and production no longer rely only on manual labor. Instead, they have evolved into a high-tech industry powered by smart sensors, GPS systems, automated machinery, and AI-driven processing lines. Thanks to these modern technologies, productivity has increased dramatically, product quality has become far more consistent, and millions of tons of cherries can now be produced efficiently to supply global markets. Giant machines not only save time and labor, but are also completely transforming the way people farm in the modern era. And that is exactly what Giant Agriculture Technology aims to bring in every video, exploring the incredible agricultural technologies and amazing machines that are changing the world every single day. Thank you for joining today's journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss more exciting agricultural adventures in the future. And be sure to leave a comment and share the video so more people can discover the amazing world of modern agriculture together.